Hey guys, Timothy Sisk here with Electrical Power Design, also electrical professor at Central Piedmont Community College. I want to do a little short video on Conduit Fill here. I got how many number 8 THHW conductors in a 1-inch piece of IMC conduit can I get? Alright, so what are we going to do? How do we do that? First thing we're going to do is going to pick up our 2023 NEC code book. We're going to go to NEC, which is on page, should be if you got your codes tabbed, like I got mine tabbed, where NEC starts on page 776. And it says, if you go down here, you find IMC right there. You go down to C1, C2, C3, C4. C4 is IMC conduits, page 789. You go over to page 789, find THHW. It'll tell you can get 8 THW conductors in a piece of 1-inch IMC. One thing I do want to mention about these tables, when you're looking at informational notes or informative notes in NEC, in this table right here, they got stars down here by some of these tables. If you can look right here, there's some stars like C1, C1A star, C2, C2A star, C3, C3A star, and what we're in is C4, C4A star. If you look at the star down here at the bottom, it's all the way on the bottom of the code book, down here at the bottom right here. If you look down there, it'll say where this table is used in conjunction with tables C1 through C13, the conductors installed must be of the compact type. So be careful with that, because I've took 4 state exams, and I've run across this a number of times where they'll give me a conductor all the same size. They'll ask me what size conduit I need, and they'll say it's of the compact type. And if you don't go to the star and read that star, you'll actually get it wrong, because IMC is on page 789, regular IMC, but if you're using the compact type, you got to go to page 792. If you go to page 792, go down to THHW conductors, look up IMC, you're going to see that you cannot get nothing but 7 conductors in that piece of conduit, not 8. So be careful with that. If you like this video, hit that like button down there. I'll be posting some more videos. See you on the next one.